Hi, it's time we make something for dads. I have designed this super easy beer bottle gift box. It's great for Father's Day for dads or granddads. It can also be used for birthdays. The link is in the description. We have one Studio3 files for Cameo and one SVG file for Cricut. Upload the SVG file to Design Space. The first thing we're going to do is right-click on Group. What we are going to do is change the scroll lines. This is the label for the beer bottle. We don't need to do anything, move it away. When you click an item, if you see on the right hand side here, each item has been grouped with the scroll line. Both layers will be selected. Just click the top layer and go to the top here. Choose scroll. The top layer has been changed to scroll line. Click the item again and make sure both layers are selected. And go down here to click attach. We just need to do the same to the rest. Click again, attach. This red element is the lid for the beer bottle. Click the top layer, change the scroll. Click the whole item again, make sure both layers are selected. Go to the bottom here and attach. Same as the rest two labels. This is a label for the neck of the bottle, and this is a label for the beer bottle itself. Click the top layer, scroll, click the item again, both layers are selected, click attach. Now we have finished the preparation. Click make it to continue. Now come here, you can see I didn't attach it to the neck bottle, so we need to go back. So obviously this label, they are not attached together. Just need to click attach. That's better. So that's the label, and this is the lower body of the bottle. This is the top of the beer bottle. Label and the lid. Continue, select your material and cut. When peel off the labels, keep the star in the middle in a smaller container because we're still gonna use this later. Here are all the cutouts. Two pieces for the beer bottle, top of the bottle, bottom of the bottle, and on the body of the bottle there are three scroll lines here. If you can see, every second panel. That's for position the label, the bottom of the label. So when later on we're gonna use those scroll line to position the label. We don't need to fold here. And this is the label for the bottleneck, lid for the bottle. And this is the label to go in the middle. And there's a little start to put in the middle. We are going to tackle the bottleneck first. For all the folding lines backward except this one here and this one here. For those two straight lines toward you. Right, and then these two straight lines bend toward you. Each panel should look like this. We just continue the rest, repeat the same step to the rest. The bottleneck piece should look like this after folding. Double check you fold all the folding lines, especially underneath here and this line here. Next thing, we're going to glue together one by one panel by one panel. Apply glue on the side and attach two panels together. align the top first. Hold the top. Use finger, go behind. Use left hand to go behind, align the bottom. Use index finger at the back to give it a bit. I'll show you at the, so use index finger at the back to give it a good press. And from the front, try to use thumb to align. Use thumbs to align at the front and use index finger at the back to give it a good press. Use index fingers at the back to give it a good press and use the thumbs at the front to align. Come to the last one, apply glue here. Enclose the two ends together. Make sure it aligns well. That's the bottleneck. Next, we're gonna fold the bottom of the bottle. That's the 3 score line we mentioned earlier. That's for position the label, so we don't need to fold this bit. Just need to fold all the score line backward. And there's a little triangle here. We need to fold here as well. So each panel has its little triangles. They are the glue tabs for later. Next, we are going to glue it together. We are going to use these small triangles glue tab. Now we're going to seal the bottom. So apply glue here on all the glue tabs. Check all the edges are aligned. Use a ruler to press the tabs from inside if necessary. Double check still align well. I'm just going to push in here a bit. Now the bottom is done. The top of the bottle is slightly bigger than the bottom of the bottle. The whole thing should fit very well like this. Get a cap piece and fold all the folding line backward. Look how cute this cap. Glue the two ends together. Look how cute is this. gonna glue it later. Just try some. Continue to make the label of for the beer bottle. Fold all the folding lines. Glue the two ends together. We're going to glue the label on. I have this little star. I use foam dot at the back, attach in the middle. See how? Just put the sleeves on first. See, there's a score line here. Every second panel, we might want to avoid the long one with the score line. So I'm just gonna apply glue roughly just above the score line. Carefully slide it down until where the score line is here. Press right inside of it. I'm going to apply glue inside the label here, just a little bit to secure it, so when we handle it, it doesn't slip off. Carefully slid it down. I got a little bit of glue here, just get rid of it, secure it, and we're gonna secure the lid. You can choose not to glue the cap, so it kind of make it fun, like you can really open the bottle. Here I'm going to use glue to attach them together. All we need to do is put them together. See if you want to align the start of the two labels. We have done the beer bottle gift box. I tried to use acetate sheet to make the beer bottle. I thought it looks pretty cool as a clear bottle, but obviously the scoring stylus doesn't score the acetate sheet very well. I use scoring wheel, which kind of bend the acetate sheet, and I also cannot overcome the glue, so the bottleneck bit, it looks a bit yucky. If somebody could overcome the glue issue, I reckon the clear bottle looks pretty cool. Just some ideas now. See if you guys want to play around with different material. It is time to say cheers. Hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching.